In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to set up a smart thermostat in your home. A smart thermostat can help you save energy and manage your heating and cooling more efficiently. Turn off power. Turn off the power to your HVAC system at the circuit breaker to ensure safety while installing the thermostat. Remove the old thermostat. Carefully remove the old thermostat's faceplate and disconnect the wires. Note the wire labels or take a photo for reference. Install the new thermostat base. Mount the new thermostat base to the wall. Use the provided screws and ensure it is level. Connect the wires. Connect the wires to the corresponding terminals on the smart thermostat. Most thermostats are color-coded and come with labels to make this step easier. Attach the thermostat faceplate. Snap the thermostat faceplate onto the base. Ensure it is securely attached. Restore power. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Setup and configuration. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the thermostat to your Wi-Fi network. You may need to download a specific app on your smartphone to complete the setup. Calibration and testing. Allow the thermostat to calibrate. Test your HVAC system to ensure it responds correctly to the thermostat settings. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your smart thermostat. Enjoy the convenience and energy savings it brings. Check my links below.